Look at me with me GoPro on. Look like a right special case. Hi guys, Rob from Field Sports with Speed, and today we are on Alannah's Beaters Day. We've just done a drive and she shot the best bird I've ever seen her shoot, and that is very few. So yeah, absolutely amazing day so far. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. Right, so obviously keep gun always into that sky, and then if they go into the right, leaving for Martin. If they're going out that, but if they're in this window here, yeah, if they're going towards B, just shoot them. But yeah, just keep your gun nice and high. But yeah, he really is. That's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, that's very cute actually.
Mount to the bottom of the bird, and then you're going to come through its tail feathers out in front, and you need to be.
How much leading?
Can you not overcoach, please? Not rougher.
If you hear some shouting, you know what it is.
That's me for split up, that is.
Are you talking from experience? So yeah, literally lead from the bottom. You want to see a gap like that big. These aren't very big. You just want to come from, but just make sure you've come through the back of the bird. Don't do like in the past.
Don't like spot shoot.
Yeah. And you've always been out in front as well. Like you sort of like, you've got your timing a bit too wrong. You're ahead of the bird already.
Yeah.
It's a hard way to shoot. So make sure you start below it, come through it with a smooth gun, faster than the bird, out in front and bang. And we'll see what gap you need to give it. Yeah. Here we go. First drive. Alannah is lock loaded, ready to go. We have Beatrice and Andrew. Look at him, he's posing. Ready for the first drive. Coming from over here. Let's see how we get on. Nice and comfy. You see it all the way through, and just that's it. It's a nice movement, so you start below the bird, up through it and bang. Just keep it nice and fluid. You'll be alright.
What's doing there?
Leave those ones because they're not your bird. Absolutely spot on. But I don't think it hurts to just get you mounted just in case.
Okay.
Because then you've got a bit more time. Right. No. No. More lead. So look at that. I want faster going through. So the gap you see is nowhere near enough. You need to like get that gap a lot bigger out in front.
I think I struggled because it was that way.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. You haven't done it for a long time. It's just getting used to it again. That is nice. You mounted nicely, moved through the bird nicely. That's your first stage is complete. Look at that. Come on, Andrew, where are you?
Was I there?
You was way too far in front.
Oh.
So
God's sake, one extreme to the other.
That's the difference. All game birds are different. It's flying faster, it's higher. That probably needed 3 meters in front. You give it about 7.
Okay.
Too far
behind it?
Yeah, you need to be way more in front. Way more in front than you think. Leave that. Nice smooth gun, which is perfect. You can replicate that. But that gap in front, you need to be a lot more.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I hit it.
Good, yeah. So that gap you give it, you
Yeah.
still hit it right in the ass.
Okay.
Like, so you need another 2 foot. You know, you need a gap.
We just can't see it.
Yeah, you got to see. You got to shoot more in front than you think.
Look at it.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah. Drink celebrate. Get on.
Well done, Danny. Very good.
Oh god. Dustin, sit. Sit. Good boy.
Here we go. Main man himself. Look at him posing. Absolute tart. Calls himself a gamekeeper. That'll be your hen bird, babe.
I think it is.
That's the one you got.
Oh, good boy. Bundle's got another one later. Gone back that way. Oh.
Did you get one?
Huh?
Did you get one?
Yeah, I did.
Look at it, guys. Look at that beauty. Beth has outdone herself with that. Ooh, yummy.
Drive. Yeah. We would go up on the bank behind that.
What?
Yeah, because then I can look at you like this, man.
Okay. Alright.
Is that straight? Alannah doesn't shoot a lot. She normally picks up. So I'm here to try and help her, but it's not going great. Well, it's going all right, isn't it? So we are on the second drive, and we are pretty much, I'd say, in the prime spot, because I've seen this drive before. There's a nice wind, so they're going to be quite tasty. Let's see how Alannah gets on.
Shot, Chloe. I
Nice.
reckon she had that before.
That was Chloe, isn't it?
I reckon it was Chloe.
You always know you're in a good spot when the keeper decides to stand behind you. You better not poach any. He's got the level spot and we're on the slope. Brilliant. That's it. That's it. It wasn't really your bird, babe,
Well,
but good
shot
effort.
it anyway.
Look at that one, that's an absolute spanker. Gone away unscathed. Here we go. Big gap. Good effort.
Where was that bird? Did I go wrong?
It's all about line. Well done, mate. Well done.
I don't understand. You're telling me too much. Not enough.
Every bird's different. I can't give you a generic answer.
I want a generic answer.
Well, you're not going to get one. Here we go, coming up. Big gap. Not bad. Shut up. And again, cross it. Here we go. Yep.
Did I hit that? Nick!
To the left. 2 meters in front. Yeah. Keep the gun straight.
That? I hit that, didn't I?
I think it was Shane
Oh, fuck's
personally,
sake.
but
Fuck's sake. You could have just said that I hit it.
okay, sorry. No, leave that. This one behind it's really good. No, no, no. Lovely shot, well done.
Leg down.
That's a good bird. Yeah, lovely, Andrew. Here we go, look up. No, bird left, straight up. No, way too much, babe. Way too much. Find the line, come through, shoot it. Oh my God, look at this. Right, wait for it to come. Yes! Oh, oh what a beauty! That's what she's done.
Yeah! Where's it gone? Is it going to be picked?
Up there in that gap.
Jason better pick that.
Bird left, bird left, bird left.
Shit.
Go on, Shane! Oh, lovely, sir! God, they're getting up today.
Sit down.
Reaching, wow. Big cop bird. So nice and smooth like you did. Oh, it's even done Shayna. Wow.
Where did I go wrong there?
But then it's lovely, just it was offline.
Oh.
That's all it was. Because when they get like that, they're starting to like curl
Dip
down.
Oh, okay.
And like you can see, they're coming from over here, curling
Yeah.
all the way around. They are difficult birds. Look at that. Here we go. Nicely through it. Just a bit too much, babe. So you're probably a metre or two too much. So it's a lovely smooth gun.
Yeah.
I want you to close that gap down a little bit. Good shot.
Oh, well done, Chloe.
Aren't they good?
Can I shoot an easier one, please?
Here we go. Yes! Get on my boot! That is a lovely bird. No, leave that. Here we go. Fine. Good shot, Shane.
Coming again, coming again.
Ready? Right, so nice smooth, big gap. Oh, not far, babe. That was so good. You're keeping a really nice smooth gun now. Go on, Chloe. Oh. Yes, Ollie. He's dead. He's dead, landed in the field. That cock bird was proper.
I hope you got that on video.
I think so. I hope so. Leave that.
Yeah.
Christ. Oh my God. Oh, in the tree. Wow. Oh, lovely marting. It's like shooting grouse.
Duster.
Here we go. Not bad. But do you see how you come offline with that?
Yeah.
And
I wasn't ready.
Yeah, and sometimes you will. You're just not ready, and it's absolutely fine. This might get up. Rochos? Only want the high ones, don't you, babes? Awesome. I love it how you're being picky on like the one day you shoot a year. Would you like me to take that for you, my lady?
Yes, please.
So how do you think that one went?
I am really happy with that, actually.
I've been really happy with that.
I never thought that I would hit any of the birds coming off this drive.
They're big, aren't they?
And
They
I
are
hit
very high.
Two, three?
Two that we'll definitely get.
Yeah.
And that cock bird was stone dead. Absolutely stone dead. And yeah, we had Shane behind, watched him shoot a few nice ones. And everyone did, but those birds you'll probably hopefully see from the footage I've got were absolutely incredible. Like, it's the end of the season, so they are flying strong. And my God, we see some decent birds there. No shame in missing them.
No.
Right, let's get picked up then. Look at that. What a drive. Absolutely fantastic.
What a drive.
Awesome, wasn't it, mate? Look at them. Good strong birds, aren't they? They were flying incredibly well. Absolutely lovely. What a belter. Well, I don't think Alannah can be too disappointed on that drive. Look at all the shots she's had on a beater's day. It just shows that, you know, a lot of these people out picking up and beating, coming on shoots like this, it's well worth it to get a day like this.
What, the low one that I shot or the...
Oh yeah, I got the low one on film.
Oh,
This is fast, I'm afraid.
Oh, it's cute.
Quack.
Okay. Just offline, keep going up. See this one coming through the trees? It's a nice big gap. That's a good duck.
How far up was that?
He's used too much in front of that. I mean, I like that you're giving it a big gap, but it needs to be a controlled big gap. Whereas you just sort of like chuck the gun out in front of it. It's a hard that's a hard bird. Like, you can't kick yourself for a bird like that missing it.
I can't.
Right, wait for it to come right above.
God, that's hurt my shoulder.
It's worth a go. Right round. Yes! Front.
Yeah, my shoulders.
Is it hurt?
Yeah, it really hurt. I don't know. Left of the tree. Oh, that.
Oh!
Wait, Dustin.
Ah.
Oh, that.
Oh!
Wait. Dustin. Rock. That's too fast. It's too fast.
I think you did like that. That front one. Yeah. No.
Yeah.
So turn your body around. Just shows how far you can kill them. Your pheasant and a couple of those ducks. But that, like, because that weighs like £2 lighter than my gun, what you lose is control.
Yeah.
So that's what's for you. It's not too much of a problem because you're not used to a heavy gun. But what you do get with a light gun is recoil, which is why your shoulder's hurting a bit.
So this wouldn't be an ideal gun for me, really.
No.
What would be
I'd
an
rather
ideal
you have a
gun?
12.
Really?
Yeah. Rather you build your muscle memory into a 12. I think you hit that, you know. I think so. That front one. So we just did a quick little duck drive there, and they went really well actually. Some nice ducks there. Alannah let me have a shot because her shoulder was hurting a little bit because she's not used to all this shooting. She had 36 shots on the last drive, which is a hell of a lot given any drive, but especially a beater's day.
Harry! Come on, John! John! Oh, he's hit.
Top picker up. She's shooting and picking up. One of the guns pricked a bird and she's gone all the way back to get it. Top girl, eh?
Give her a hand, see if someone will help her.
I'll give her a hand.
Give her a hand.
Has he just left you, darling? When Alannah comes up, tell her about picking up, because...
There's 4 here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Right. So what has he actually taught you?
Who?
Andrew.
Andrew.
Right, hen bird. Right, so you're quite a long way over the top of them.
Sorry.
No, that's fine. No, this is what it's all about learning. Right, straight up here. Nice gap, out in front. Right, I want you to triple that gap in front. I want that gun right out in front of it.
Yeah.
More lead than you think. But the line was spot on. Gun speed, spot on. You just need lead more time to get there, basically. So right out in front of it. Oh, just over its top wing. Literally like a foot away. Out in front. Yes! Yes! Good girl! You see that gap? It needs to be big. And I want a nice big gap. Big. Yes!
That guy
Legend, you nailed that. That was you.
Pull that guy shot.
He hit it and then you absolutely spanked it. But do you see what I mean by that big gap?
Yeah.
You've got to give that lead enough time to get out there. That's awesome. Well done. And that's dead, that.
Yeah.
Coming up in front. So nice gap in front. Yes, and again. Oh, imagine that. Yes, bird. So what gun are you shooting, Alannah?
I don't know, but it really hurts.
So Alannah is shooting a little Beretta 20 bore, little 28-inch barrels with a little Hull High Pheasant Extreme 528 gram. But she doesn't shoot a lot, so it is hurting your shoulder, isn't it,
Yeah,
darling?
it's a lot, actually.
But you've had a good day, haven't you?
Yeah, I've enjoyed
and
it.
you shot a really spanking cockbird as well, which was awesome. So that's always a bonus. You've got to take away these memories on the last little drive now, and yeah, we'll see if we can get one. Really? Yeah, they've worked hard today, these dogs.